or Amazon EBS features. Here are the key features. Amazon EBS Elastic Volumes. Elastic Volumes allows you to dynamically increase capacity, tune performance, and change volume types, with no downtime or performance impact. Simply create a volume with the capacity and performance needed today, knowing you have the ability to modify your volume configuration in the future, saving hours of planning cycles. By using Amazon CloudWatch with AWS Lambda, you can automate volume changes to meet the changing needs of your applications. Amazon EBS Optimized Instances. You can launch certain EC2 instance types as EBS optimized instances. EBS optimized instances deliver dedicated throughput between Amazon EC2 and Amazon EBS, with options between 500 and 19,000 megabits per second, depending on the instance type used. The dedicated throughput minimizes contention between Amazon EBS I/O and other traffic from your EC2 instance, providing the best performance for your EBS volumes. Amazon EBS Snapshots. You can back up the data on your Amazon EBS volumes to Amazon S3 by taking point-in-time snapshots to enable disaster recovery. Snapshots are incremental backups, which means that only the blocks on the device that have changed are saved. You can create one or multiple new EBS volumes based on a snapshot and resize Amazon EBS volumes. The following are the key features for Amazon EBS snapshots. Direct read access. You can use EBS Direct API to read data off snapshots. This makes it easily track incremental changes between two EBS snapshots without needing to create the EBS volumes in EC2 instances. You can create EBS snapshots from any block storage, regardless of where it resides, including data on premises. In addition, after a volume is created from EBS snapshots, your attached instance can have immediate access to the Amazon EBS volume data. If you enable Fast Snapshot Restore FSR capability, EBS volumes restored from FSR-enabled snapshots instantly receive their full performance. EBS snapshots can also be shared across AWS accounts and copied across AWS regions, enabling geographical expansion. In addition, when you delete a snapshot, only the data unique to that snapshot is removed. Data Lifecycle Manager for EBS Snapshots provides a simple, automated way to back up data stored on EBS volumes by ensuring that EBS snapshots are created and deleted on a custom schedule. Snapshots are cleaned up regularly to keep costs under control. Simply tag your EBS volumes and start creating lifecycle policies for creation and management of backups. You can also use CloudWatch events to monitor your policies and ensure that your backups are being created successfully. With no additional fee, Amazon EBS Multi-Attach enables you to attach a single provisioned IOPS SSD, IO1 volume, to up to 16 Nitro-based EC2 instances within the same availability zone. Each attached instance has full read and write permission to the shared volume. Multi-Attach makes it easier to achieve higher application availability for applications that manage storage consistency for multiple writers.